So what are the best penny stocks to buy on October 2nd, 2024? Well, number one recommendation is KXKN Auto Holdings, stock symbol KXIN. It is up today 80% or 10 cents, trading at 22 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 370 million shares. I mean, that's a huge amount of shares. So apparently the stock has to do with cars, maybe electrical batteries, maybe something in that area. But the main thing is that the stock used to trade at around 25 cents a share back in May of this year. Then it pretty much collapsed all the way to like 5 cents. So, and while it was collapsing, there was no, trading that was happening. Maybe a few hundred shares a day, but nothing like today when we see 370 million shares. So apparently the news that these guys released, they released it like 3 days ago, and it produced the first very major jump when it went from like around 9 cents to like 15 cents. And then it kind of like collapsed a little bit down, but then today again some kind of news came out and it drove the stock again, by jumping 80 to 86%. So go to the web, take a look at the news that are happening with this company, and if they sound interesting enough, maybe put some money into it. So KXKN Auto Holdings, stock symbol KXIN, only $23 a share. Next one is Agora, stock symbol API. It is up today 78% or $2.15, trading at $4.90 a share. Since this morning, it already traded 61 million shares. Market cap of the company is roughly $500 million. So this is an interesting company because for the last 6 months, nobody really cared about this company. Nobody was really trading it, and it was pretty much hovering around $2 a share. Then some news arrived today, and the stock just went up like crazy from like $2.40 to almost like $5. So apparently these news are very powerful and very positive for this company. So maybe they would be able to carry this company to the next price level. So take a look at the news, see what's going on there, and judge for yourself if you want to participate in this potential very bullish rally. 61 million shares being traded. That means the market is aware about this company and the buyers are swarming in. Maybe you should be one of them. So Agora Inc., stock symbol API, only $4.90 a share. Next one is Tech Inc., stock symbol MTC. It is up today 48% or 22 cents, trading at 69 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 80 million shares. Market cap of the company is roughly $140 million. So apparently it's some kind of technology company, but it used to trade at $8 a share back in May of this year. Then something happened and the stock just collapsed from $8 to like $1, like within like a day. Okay, and no matter what they were trying to do to bring the stock back up to the previous levels, nothing worked. So the stock was pretty much stale, trading around $1 for the last I would say 5 months. And it wasn't really trading. Again, it was just very little shares that were that were being sold and bought every day. So However, some news started to arrive, I would say, around 3 days ago. And the stock that was very quiet, very kind of like unnoticeable by the market, suddenly started to produce 80 million shares in trading volume and huge jump in the price of the stock. So take a look, see what kind of news are driving the stock, and if this news are interesting and powerful enough, maybe you should put money into it. Especially consider that even if you jump in the stock at around 69 cents a share, the upside potential of $8 could give you, up to 1,000% in profit. So take a look at the stock, see what's going on there, but maybe you could, put some money into it. So Tech Inc. Stock symbol MTC, only 69 cents a share. Next one is iCore Connect. Stock symbol ICCT. It is up today 47% or 16 cents, trading at 51 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 81 million shares. Market cap of the company is very tiny, only $5 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? First of all, it's probably a technology company. Back in April of this year, or 6 months ago, it used to trade at $1.80 a share. Then over the last 6 months, it pretty much collapsed all the way to 30 cents a share. And trading volume was minimal. Nobody was really interested in the stock. Nobody was really trading it. So obviously, without buyer support, any stock would collapse. So the next thing that happened was some news arrived today, and the stock that was pretty much kind of quiet and pretty much invisible to the market suddenly becomes the center of attention. 81 million shares means that there's a lot of buyers coming in, a lot of new people, jumping in, buying those shares. So, and maybe you should go and check out the news that are driving that jump in volume and also in price. And if this news are, strong enough and promising enough for the future revenue and maybe profits of this company, maybe you should put some money into it. So, iCore Connect, stock symbol ICCT, only 51 cents a share. Next one is Garden Stage Limited, stock symbol GSIW. Sorry. So, what can I tell you about this company? Listen to this. Just like a month ago, it used to trade at $12 a share. Then something happened, and within, I would say, like just a matter of a couple of weeks, it collapsed from $12 to $1.50. And people were selling like there's no tomorrow. So finally, some news, some positive news, I think, arrived today. And maybe the company was, or the stock was oversold. And now it became relatively cheap to the value that it actually represents, like maybe the cash in the bank, or maybe the cost of equipment, or cost of other assets. So the main thing is, suddenly the market is in love with that stock. Everybody is, trying to acquire those shares, creating 14 million shares in trading volume, and also the very nice price of 28%. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look at this company and see what kind of news are driving it, and possibly put some money into it, because you're still jumping in at it at $1.86, which is pretty cheap, which is like almost like a 6-month low. So Garden Stage Limited, stock symbol GSIW, only $1.86 a share. If you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website called PNNY.APP and download my penny stock app called Penny Gems. Thank you for your time and good luck trading. Bye bye now.